I actually think the CAGR is going to accelerate, and I'll give you the reason why. So the Mag 7, I mean, their numbers have been staggering. They already broke the law of diminishing returns as you get bigger. And the reason is, again, because of technology and exponential innovation. Exponential innovation leads to concentration of wealth in smaller places. We've already seen that. The problem is Bitcoin has not outperformed the Mag 7 over the last 8 years. It's been competing with it. I think what is going to happen is, as we end up in a point where the public markets start to underperform the private markets that never go public, which is what is beginning to happen, more and more people will equate the Bitcoin market cap as the disruption to the public markets. It's a new capital structure. Bitcoin is the base layer of the new capital structures. Okay, great. So you're going to have more activity happening in the digital economy. Digital money is going to transact, and it's all based on disrupting the incumbents to lower cost and be a decentralized force. The entrepreneurs, the people getting fired, are going to move into, they still have to make money. They're going to have to make money one of two ways. Either they're going to have to invest, and they're not going to invest in the public markets. They're going to invest in what's working. And we keep driving more and more people that are angry, just like you did with unions after the Industrial Revolution, more towards Bitcoin. So I see Bitcoin as, again, being this place that is actually the direct result of AI accelerating, just like we saw the cloud, just like we saw mobile, disrupting more and more employees and the labor share continuing to be under pressure. So I think this is actually going to drive more people into it at a time where, like you said, and I wrote a paper on this in my Substack, so far Bitcoin's accumulated to the market cap it is, driven mainly by a bottoms-up movement. I'm reaching out to them now and saying, this is a disruption of public businesses, and Bitcoin represents this other digital economy world. And that's why I always say that is the S&P 500 of the future, not the public markets.